welcome back. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can utilize the screen transition using Voyager, like slide in or fade in, or you can say like scale in. So let's get started. First, you need to change it to home screen because we need to use detail screen and home screen for this tutorial. Okay, and now go back to the lib.version.toml file, and you need to make sure that the version of Voyager is like zero, beta 02 or 03. Okay, because in previous version there is an crash in Android for the slide in, or you can say like fade in transition. Okay, so make sure that you are using 1.1.0 dash beta or 3. Okay, 03. So let's run the application. It will be like basic transition. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so now we need to apply like something like slide in. Okay, so navigator to pass the lambda function, and you can say like slide in, and we need to pass navigator. Okay, so let's run the application again. In the meantime, we need to run the iOS application. You can see here. Okay, let's wait for a couple of minutes. You can see here. Okay, now what if like you need to apply something like fade in, fade transition. Okay, so first run in for Android. You can see here. Okay, now hold on. You can see it. Okay, now let's run for it for iOS. You can see here. Okay, now what if like you need to use scale transition. Okay, so let's run it for iOS first. You can see here. Okay, let's run it for Android. You can see here. Okay, now what if like you need to apply fade in or fade out by using composable. Okay, so we need to remove this. Okay, and let's say like navigator, home screen, and let's say like navigator, sorry, and into navigation, home screen, comma, responsive behavior, navigator, responsive behavior, false. Okay, now navigator. Okay, and then we need to screen transition. Okay, and then navigator, we go to navigator, comma, this goes to row, this one, comma transition, it in train 300 with with it out 300 win 300. Let's cut this line. Okay, and then let's say composable form, composable, and create a separate composable, something like fun my transition. Let's run the application again. Now let's say increase the can see here. Okay, now let's run it for iOS. Now let's say for example, let's copy this and create a new transition. It's like scale. Okay, now uh, instead of padding, you can say like scale in and scale out. Okay, and copy this and paste it. Okay, that's and this for iOS. You can see here. Okay, now let's run it for Android. You can see here. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. If you have any question or query, then let me know in the comments. See ya. Bye bye.